How to find drafts on Instagram on the new update. So first thing is to make sure that your Instagram app is up to date. So go update it in your app store. After updating, open the application. And just to show how to find a draft, we will be making a draft post first. So go on this plus button beside the message icon. Click on photo, and you can put filters on this photo. Add caption, tag people, put your location, and any other edits that you wish to do. Take note that you can only save drafts when you made some edits to the photos. After this, when you click on the X button here on the top left corner, an option to save this edited post as a draft will show, so just click on Save Draft. Now to find the draft post, click again the plus icon, and beside the recent, you can see your drafts. So that is how you find drafts on Instagram on the new update. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a great day.